Hey vlog, I'm at Walmart right now and I'm going to go get a lava lamp and then go pick up my mom for lunch. Okay, scrunchie haul. So today when I got like organizers for my desk, I got scrunchies because it's the dollar store, why not? Both of these were $1, so I got 4 scrunchies for $2. I went to another store, like dollar store-esque type thing. Okay, boy, colorful scrunchies, for 2 of them, and they're the thin ones. And then I realized they were 79 cents. Oh, I like your jacket.
Yeah, my God.
Nice vintage Tommy.
Look at it.
Outfit of the day is my Doris tee from yesterday. Jonas's flannel. These Arizona jean shorts. My locket as always. These sunglasses. And this little dice.
You never know what it's like. Your blood like a winter freezes just like ice.
Patient, but it starts with C. What's that? What's that word? Tell me what that word is.
Hey, Thursday. It's almost Friday, thank God. This week has gone so slow. It's literally the most tantalizing week ever. What do you have to say? Anything?
Full send, no half senders, or there's no senders. That's that.
Alright.
To the man. This is
Happy birthday. Coffee at 11:41 p.m. Say hi to the vlog, Daphne. Can't even see you, so.
That's good. I can't.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
It's
That's probably what you want, knowing you.
Yep.
Odin?
yeah.
He is the chillest cat
So
ever.
stoned.
If I could compare him to any
No,
cat,
he's
it'd
just
be my
don't get
cat.
it. Yeah.
Wow. Isn't it bad? Just
He
chill in
loves
the
me
bathroom.
too. He li-
Wow, I like that fit. I think it's a kid's large. I think that's the issue.
I ain't no kid. I ain't no little bitch. I ain't no little bitch.
Ow! Did you hear that? You hit me right in the bone. Okay, so I look like a lizard, but I forgot that tomorrow is Mother's Day, so I'm running into a store to try to find something for my mom. Wish me fucking luck. Dairy Queen Day. So basically, they have like a new cotton candy blizzard, and I got it with Oreos, and they told me you couldn't do it, but they did it anyways. It's pretty good. Like 8 out of 10, but what would you rate it?
10. Triage.
No, you haven't even tried it. Oh, get that action. Oh, you barely got it. Would you rate it? No?
Just recent. You ordered it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bye. You don't talk loud enough, you stupid.
I know I don't talk loud enough, and my mic shit.
No, it's the back mic. It's good. It's all good.
Yeah, but I'm also quiet and mumbly as in general. So many people.
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to vlog. Yo, what's up? Quality's great. Don't vlog with a front camera, Ori. You're a piece of.
Oh, baby, I need to get eyelashes. No, I'm gonna order eyelashes.
Do I have chocolate on my face?
Can you please buy this for me next time we're here, though, for real? And flowers, because you said you would. This is making me look like such a bad person, but I don't even care. Is there people walking by while you're giving me the finger?
Don't care. Savage mode. Savage mode. Savage mode. You already know my.
Alright.
Bitch. Oh, Lily's here.
Oh, so I can jump half a thing and you can jump 2 whole ones?
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna.
Dang. Dang. It's not a T-Rex, but.
I like the color of it.
Very cool.
Matches your sweater.
Me look Hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna.
How can you ever forget about ice cream?
I know. I was thinking of ice cream and pop disappeared.
Girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the Arunanani. Oh.